gamer, neither that is a cooking channel nor I'm an experienced person in the kitchen. Yet I am going to cook something special for you today for Samhain, or so-called Halloween. So what does Samhain mean? Why do I use this word? Because that's actually where the Halloween comes from. It is the celebration of the end of the harvest season and the beginning of winter. It's usually celebrated in between 31st of October and 1st of November. It is a Celtic tradition. There might be similar traditions in different beliefs, different countries, different cultures as well. You know, I really like the world of fantasy, witches, wizards, owls and everything, and I love Harry Potter. I'm a Potterhead. I'm a true Gryffindor. But today I really wanted to get into where the tradition comes from and actually celebrate the origin of the culture. So that's why I am going to bake you something inspired by a recipe written in the book called Real Witches Kitchen Sauce, Recipes, Oils, Lotions and Potions from the Witch's Heart, written by Kate West. So let's get started. For the filling, we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of raisins, 2 teaspoons of ginger and cinnamon all together, and some walnuts, some sugar. You can also use brown sugar as well, and honey to make them sticky. Mix it well. I can eat this mixture even without an apple. I love sweet, but I don't want to eat something so sugary, so that's the reason I didn't add so much sugar. For the final step, I am adding 1 teaspoon of butter to each. Sunshine, daisies, buttermellow, burn these delicious apples until they're brown. I guess that's all for today. Go give it a try on Halloween. That's the reason, that's why I shared the recipe, shared the video before Halloween, so you can enjoy the recipe with your family and your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment down below about how do you think it tastes, so I would know what you feel about this recipe and maybe do more. I am not sure, and I'm not promising for that, and I am not sure if you want me to do that, but yeah. And go give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and please turn on your notifications. I am going to see you on the next video. Moi moi till next time.